What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the permalinks of your WooCommerce store. Let me show you one example into the site. Imagine that I'm selling services into the site, but into the URL by default, WordPress and WooCommerce adds products to the URL. It makes no sense for me, so this have to be the first thing you do before adding your products, because it can hurt your SEO. If you share the product, you're gonna lose the shared icon. You may need to do some redirect. So I recommend that you do this before anything. Okay, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over settings and enter the submenu Permalinks. Remember, I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed on your site. In the case that you don't know how to start, just go to YouTube and search for Visualmodo WooCommerce so you can learn from it. Once on Permalinks, you're gonna scroll down just a little bit, and right here you're gonna be able to see the optional settings. We have category base, slug base, products base. You can change from product category to service category, service tag, and right here into the bottom we have custom base. We're gonna change from product to service, just like this. Save change. Now, if you go to your WooCommerce products, instead of products, you're gonna be able to see into the browser address bar services. This is better for your SEO, for example. But remember, you need to do this before adding your products, before Google indexing, before applying descriptions, okay? If you already have made products, you're gonna need a redirect, okay? After this, you are good to go. Simple, easy, and effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!